This is the moment Felix Salaveria Jr. was forcibly pulled into a van in August. The footage also shows men on motorcycles who appear to be acting as lookouts, indications of a professional operation, says the family's lawyer.
Military, police, intelligence, well prepared. We've seen that before. This is not the first time.
But police say the evidence isn't conclusive. They suspect Felix and his friend James Jasmines, another activist who went missing in the same area 5 days prior, have ties to the communist NPA rebels. They suspect the group may be responsible.
It was also history that purging is being done from the organization.
The families say the men weren't politically involved and ask why they'd be kidnapped, even if they were.
They can file a case against people who they think are doing something illegal or something that's not allowed, but to resort to abduction, I cannot think of any reason at all.
It wouldn't be the first time state forces were accused of abduction. Last year, 2 environmental activists said they were kidnapped and interrogated, but their military captors forced them to say they had handed themselves in to authorities. Dozens of activists have gone missing since President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. took office. That's according to human rights organization Karapatan. The watchdog says it's a growing trend similar to the thousands of enforced disappearances that occurred during the 20 years his father was president. Around the same time James and Felix disappeared, the government tried to block the screening of a documentary about a nearly 2-decade search for a missing activist. Rights advocates say it was an attempt to cover up the state's role. But for Felix's daughters, it was an eye-opener.
You ask yourself, can I also do that for another 17 years? But I'm not giving up on my father.
And neither, they say, should police, even if the abductors are from their ranks. Barnaby, Al Jazeera, Manila.